Search warrants allow police to go to certain private properties, it's usually a house or an apartment, and to search for a particular item. Most often it's drugs, but it could be a firearm, it could be anything that they need to get their hands on. Now, the search warrant form here in Massachusetts that the judge signs has a little box that the judge can check off, and it would allow the police to search any person present or all persons present who might have the illicit item on them when the search is being conducted. So again, most often they're searching a house or an apartment. Most often it's for drugs. So in theory, they could search any person present on that property for the drugs that they're looking for. Now, the appeals court and the Supreme Judicial Court has ruled that even when this language is put into the warrant, that they could search all persons present, there needs to be some specificity in the warrant application, in the affidavit that accompanies it, that would justify the search of the people who are present at the property. All right, it's not just an open invitation to search everybody. There needs to be some real justification in specificity in the affidavit that would allow for it. To give one example, there's an appeals court case, Commonwealth v. Sousa. The police got a warrant to search a residence because the people at that property were alleged to be selling drugs to high school students. Now, the police were in the midst of executing the warrant when Sousa, who was a middle-aged man, showed up at the property. The police searched him, they found drugs, and they arrested him. The appeals court said that was not a lawful search because he showed up after the execution of the warrant and because he didn't fit the description of a high school student or anybody else named in the affidavit who would have drugs on him. Right? So I've written a blog post on this, and I will put it in the description below.